Hi, welcome back to our channel, 3-Minute English Stories. Today, we're going camping with our friend Dina, who's going to share with us all the essential gear you need to bring on a camping trip. Dina loves camping and has been doing it for years. She knows exactly what you need to bring to make sure you have a great time. First things first, you need a good tent. Dina recommends a tent that's big enough for your group and easy to set up. It's also important to bring a warm sleeping bag, especially if you're camping in the mountains or somewhere that gets cold at night. You might think that camping is all about roughing it in the wilderness, but Dina knows that you can still be comfortable while you're out in nature. One of the best ways to make sure you're comfortable is to bring a good sleeping pad. This will help cushion you against the hard ground and make it much easier to get a good night's sleep. Next up is lighting. Dina recommends bringing a flashlight or a headlamp, as well as some extra batteries. It's important to be able to see at night, whether you're going to the bathroom or just walking around the campsite. Dina also recommends bringing a lantern or some other kind of light that you can hang up in your tent. This will make it much easier to find your way around your tent at night. Of course, you can't forget about food. Dina recommends bringing a cooler with plenty of ice, as well as some easy-to-make meals like hot dogs or burgers. Don't forget the S'mores ingredients. And if you're planning on doing some cooking over the fire, make sure you bring all the necessary equipment, like a grill grate and some cooking utensils. Finally, Dina recommends bringing a first aid kit, just in case. You never know when you might need some band-aids, insect repellent, or other essentials. And if you're going to be hiking or doing any other activities, make sure you bring the appropriate gear, like a good pair of hiking boots or some sturdy sneakers. Thanks for joining us on this camping trip with Dina. And if you're planning on going camping soon, make sure you bring all the necessary gear to have a great time in the great outdoors. Remember to check out other videos to improve your English skills.